In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Play Store search history. If you've noticed old searches popping up when you tap the search bar in the Play Store, this quick cleanup will remove those suggestions and help keep your browsing more private on your device. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Tap that icon to open your account menu. From here, choose Settings. This is where Google groups most of the app's controls, including privacy options. Inside Settings, tap General. You'll see several categories, and the one we want is Account and Device Preferences. Go ahead and open that. In this section, scroll until you find Clear Device Search History. This option removes the saved search queries that power those suggestions you see when you start typing in the Play Store search bar. Tap Clear Device Search History, and when the confirmation prompt appears, tap Clear History to confirm. That's it. You won't see past search terms appear as suggestions anymore on this device. If you head back to the search bar and start typing, the list should be clean, and only new searches you make from now on will begin to build fresh suggestions. A few important things to know. This action only affects the device you're using. If you have another phone or tablet signed in to the same Google account, its Play Store search suggestions won't change unless you repeat these steps there. Also, clearing search history does not uninstall any apps and does not remove your app library, purchases, or subscriptions. It specifically targets the search suggestions stored locally on the device to make them disappear. If you're doing this for privacy, it's a good idea to clear your Play Store search history every so often, especially on shared devices. Keep in mind that the exact wording or menu layout can vary slightly depending on your Play Store version, but the path through Settings, General, and Account and Device Preferences is consistent on most recent builds. To recap in plain language, you opened the Play Store, went to your profile icon, opened Settings, tapped General, went into Account and Device Preferences, selected Clear Device Search History, and confirmed. Your search suggestions are now removed on this device, helping keep your Play Store experience clean and private. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider revisiting these steps anytime you want a fresh start in the Play Store search bar.